Hi, my name is Dylan Floyd.
And I created this video for my education technology class in Georgia Tech's OMSCS program. If you haven't read the paper I submitted this week yet, I would recommend doing that first before watching. It provides an introduction to some of the issues with America's education system and why there's a need for a product like this. The web application I proposed will enable students to share a digital portfolio of their unique work, and the platform will also enable users to search for and connect with resources that align with their personalized learning goals. One aspect of this platform there is the ability to go ahead and start searching for projects and portfolios before you've even created an account. But users will still have control over the privacy settings of all the content and projects that they publish to their portfolio. On the registration page, you may have noticed that there was different types of users than just students, and that's because multiple different stakeholders in the learning process can benefit from a platform like this, including universities and businesses as well. This page under the student demo is what they would see after registering their account for the first time. Each user profile is going to have a header which contains a personalized description of the user or organization. Below the header is the actual portfolio where students get to show off their work. Each of the tiles that are shown inside of the portfolio represent a project. The only exception to this is when the tile represents a grouping of multiple projects, which can be edited in the settings. Let's see what it looks like to create a new project. Here you can see that privacy is set at the tile level, and the options are completely public, completely private, or private with exceptions that are set by the user. Here's what it looks like to edit and potentially delete an existing tile. The trending page is a great way to see which projects have been favorited a lot over the past week. Anytime a user sees a project that they like and maybe want to check out again later, all they have to do is press the heart button, and it'll be saved to their favorites page. The specialized page is one of the coolest parts about this idea because the feed is unique to each user based on the tags that they have in their settings about their personal interests. Unlike a normal search, the tags don't have to be related at all. Some of your tags could be related to machine learning, and some of them could be related to guitar. Users have complete control over these tags and are able to edit their interests at any time. The network page offers a list of all of the people and organizations that you follow. In order to access their portfolio, simply click on the tile. We've already seen the settings page once in order to edit the tags, but you can also edit things like your username or email address, password. But for now, let's take a look back at the profile and do an example search. In a search result, the project tiles are laid out horizontally, and the tags associated with each project are shown to the left. Every search defaults to the Projects tab, but you can also switch over to a search based on people and organizations. In this case, there were no results found because there were no people matching machine learning computer vision. Let's see what happens when we instead search for a well-known machine learning expert. As you can see, I got multiple project results for the user that I was searching for. I also got multiple users returned. The portfolio description for the guy on the right seems pretty interesting. Let's check out his tile and see what the portfolio looks like. Sometimes it's convenient to group multiple projects together under a single tile. Here we see an example of that with the machine learning projects that this user posted to GitHub. This shows what happens when a user clicks on a tile that contains multiple projects. The results are returned similar to a search result for projects. The rest of this video will show more use cases of clicking into the tiles and being linked to content and projects. There should be a link in the comments with access to the Adobe XD file, which lets you explore the user interface even if you don't have an Adobe subscription. I look forward to getting some feedback on this prototype, whether it's related to the aesthetics or functionality or ease of implementation by the end of the semester. All criticism is welcome so that I can end up with a better final deliverable. And last, I hope that you didn't hate the cheesy iMovie music that I played in the background the whole time. Thank you for watching, and take care.